So yet another twist and turn in this goofy helicopter story. I'm going to make another change, and this time it's the final one. So mail call. This is the main thing. This is the same company I got the bicycle from. They do a nice job. This actually came early. So kudos to them. Dauntless Hobbies. On eBay, they're called Rebel Alpha. So it's here. Wow. All the sprues. Another bag with decals, clear parts. I believe this is the photo etch parts, the instructions, and painting guide. So, the game plan was to basically build this, leave the engine off, and I actually was looking at this online. It would be ideal. I mean, this is the roof. Just take that engine off the other one and literally just pop it right on there. And then rescribe some of the lines back here and connect up. And I was like all geared up and psyched to do it. And I was out looking around for yet more references. And lo and behold, I come across this. So it looks like ClearProp is going to release a UH-2C early version. And you can see there, sure enough, it has the twin engine and that fin in the back. So I was definitely on the right track. But given that this is such an incredible kit, I would be stupid not to wait. So I'm going to wait for this to come out. It said it was supposed to come out in late 2022. I also saw another entry. So I actually sent ClearProp a communication on their website. I'm waiting to hear back, but I think I would be crazy not to wait for this to come out. It will be the definitive kit of that aircraft. So I'm not going to do the UH-2C at this time, but so given the situation with this and that I'm going to wait, I feel like I still want to participate in the helicopter group build. So I looked through the stash. I have a couple of choices, and I decided on to kind of go back to my roots, so to speak. I bought this kit when I was doing the presidential series, and then found that Marine one in 1:144, which, you know, everything else was, so it made more sense. Whereas this was 1:48. But I've always wanted to build this, so hey, why not? And I, at 1:48, I'm a, you know, if you know me, I'm a 1:72 guy, so it's it'll be unique in that way. And I love Minicraft kits, especially their decals. All of those presidential planes were Minicraft except the current Air Force One, which I believe was Hasegawa, and the decals sucked. But the decals on all of those are awesome. So I'm actually looking forward to this. Wow. Look at how big that thing is. Okay, here, just for comparison, check this out. So that's the 1:72. Oh, this should be fun. So I'm still joining in. I'm just switching models from that to this. So there we go. I've got everything at least cut off of the main sprues and grouped according to assemblies in the instructions. So kind of one, I think assemblies 4 and 2 and 4 go together, and 5 and 7 go together. So yeah, I've got a good start, and then there's the clear parts, and then these are extra parts that I guess you're not going to use. So yeah, I've got a good start on that, and looking forward to completing this. So for my HLI 2022 helicopter group build, I am on my way to making the Marine One presidential helicopter, which is a UH-60N. Okay, as always, thanks for watching and happy modeling.